Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to install a power anode rod, and what this thing will do is it'll help maintain the water heater and keep it in play for many decades as opposed to the standard 6-year warranty. Our nice thing about these systems, well, this system in particular, is the fact that the rod comes like this, and we just got to remove the existing magnesium or zinc, and it does come with tools to remove the existing setup, and this is a small DC rectifier. One of the first steps in engaging in this process is to turn off the breaker to the water heater. Perfect. We're standing at we're looking down at the top of the water heater, and this is the hot water connection, cold water connection, pressure relief valve, and the anode rod is probably inside here. So let's go ahead and remove this cap. All right, we've opened the plastic cap, and this has still got the foam, so I could cut the foam out. All right, we've excavated a lot of the foam, but we still need to do a final cleanup before we can insert the socket tool and turn this thing out. Now remember, the water heater is under heat and pressure, so before we do this, the next step is to relieve the pressure using the pressure relief valve. I'm going to demonstrate right now. So I just cracked the pressure relief valve, and because this unit sits pretty high up in terms of elevation, I could hear the hot water leaking at the faucet that I opened up below. Alright. Okay, now with the nut mostly exposed, I'm just going to take this hex head and kind of drive it in as such. And counterclockwise, turn it out. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. All right, for a second take. Last week we attempted to open up this anode rod, the negative terminal rod, and using the tool provided by the company. And I don't know if you noticed, but put so much force on it, it kind of warped the wrench. So in fact, I was wrecking my own hand trying to do this because we didn't have enough. We didn't have like a breaker bar, which we should be using. So instead, what we got is this 1 1/16 bit, and since I couldn't find my breaker bar, I brought the big boy. This is 650 foot-pounds of torque to break this open. We're not going to do that now because the water's still on, so I'm going to kill the water and show you the good news hopefully soon. So we just killed the main water to the house and open up one of the hot water valves to let the pressure out. Right now that's done, we can commence with the removal of this very stubborn bolt. Alright, let's see what 650 foot-pounds of torque can do on this thing. There we go. Look at that. Technology. Gotta love it. You know, this is what's left of the anode rod. So it's only a matter of time before this thing goes. Anyway, So guess we're replacing it. All right. So here's the new rod. It's titanium based, and my one complaint so far is the fact that this hex head is not of the same dimension as the existing. So I have to use what they gave me, the opposite end. And as you know, this thing is just not very good in general, so to force me to do this really chafes my ass. But, you know, such is life, right? So in order to give it active cathodic protection or anodic protection, we have to power it with a low voltage direct current, and one leg will have to go in here like this. And the other leg will have to be mated to the body of the panel, of the tank, I should say. So one method is to go through here. Let's just mount it here because it's closer. This whole thing should be connected. Electrically speaking. Okay, now that it's connected, we should plug it into a power source. Thankfully, we have an outlet right here. So we just connect it as such. The light is green, indicating that it's functioning. And we're going to tether this rope to the ceiling, and we're done. It's actively protected. All right, I think everyone should do this at some point in time, preferably at the beginning of, you know, when you have a brand new water heater. But, you know, anytime before the zinc rod or magnesium rod completely erodes away, you know, is a good time to do it. And it should actively protect the steel tank and keep it running for many years to come. It's been a trying installation, but I hope this helps you. All right, good luck. Bye-bye.